Hello students, how are you? Myself Priyanka. I think all of you are safe at your home. So, in this video, you will learn how to print swastika pattern using star in Java. So, today our question is how print swastika pattern using star. So, what is our pattern? Okay. Go to the question. Okay, so this is our output format. So if we draw the pattern in board, so in first line we have total 4 star. In second line here we have star, and here third line again increase the number of star and decrease the space. Fourth line again decrease the star and increase the space. So this is our swastika pattern. So we have to observe this design line by line. We break the pattern into 5 components. In first line we have 4 stars, and in fifth line we have also the 4 stars, means actually opposite symmetry, or we can say this actually symmetry. In first line here have 4 star, and the fifth line also have fourth star. So the first row and the fifth row are symmetric, and also the second row and the fourth row also these two rows are symmetrical. Only the middle row or third row is different from the other rows. So it is but obvious that the condition we will place for segregating the first and second components will be just flip opposite for getting the fifth and fourth component respectively. In the third component, we just have to print the stars for all columns of the middle row. So now we have to start our coding. Now this is our pattern. Next, now start for loop. Again start for loop for another integer. Int j equal to 1, j is equal to n, j plus I equal to 1, and this is our first component. J equal to n, L is equal to n by 2 plus 1. So we have to print this line system dot out dot print Now there is condition if, so here also come else. Print is system dot out dot print now else if I is equal to n by 2 for second component, then again if equal to n is equal to n by 2 plus 1, then we have to print this system dot out dot print else, again print system dot out dot print again else if for third component, in this system dot out dot print next again take else if for fourth component, if j equal to 1, j equal to n by 2 plus 1, print dot out dot print then else, and then system dot out dot print now else for fifth component, now if j equal to 1, j now greater equal to n by 2, because in fifth row again the stars are increase, so 2 plus 1, and in the first row and fifth row are same, oppositively same means symmetry. Now print system dot out dot print else, and system dot out dot print system dot out dot print line must be for changing the line or changing the row. Now we have to run this program. One. Okay. Now put the input 5 and check output. Yes. Now come our output, the swastik pattern in using star. So this is tough hard. So you have to practice this, and see you in the next class. Have a good day, students. Bye bye.